What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now, we just recently picked up the 14 Pro Max. Caseology have sent out their tempered glass screen protector with SnapFit technology. So for the 6.7, doesn't say whether it's got any hole for that dynamic island. Let's get it open, let's see what you get in the box, and then let's fit a screen protector to the 14 Pro Max. I've got plenty more coming, probably a privacy one as well, like we've done with the last couple. So let's go in and let's get ready and let's take a look at what you get inside the box first of all. It's got scratch resistant, it's 9H surface hardness, fingerprint resistant, first place good design award, and 6 million plus cased customers. Got excellent clarity, so let's go ahead and let's just grab the unboxing knife and let's slice that open, and let's take whatever's in here out. Okay, let's place that to one side. Okay, so you get your little bag of goodies. You got your squeegee, you got some wet wipes in there, you've probably got a microfiber, and of course some dust removal stickers. Then you've got your jig that goes round it. It says top ear, bottom ear, so that's where you're going to place the phone into. And it's also got Caseology branding just on the side. You got a little card here that says before applying and how to install, so we'll place that to one side. And then you've got your screen protectors encased in this right here. You do get two, so of course you got a spare. So let's go ahead and let's just take one out. Let's take a little quick glimpse at this and see about that dynamic island. No, it is literally just a full screen, so it's going to sit where that dynamic island is. So to be honest with you, that's how it's going to go. Okay, so we'll place it back in here and place it off to the side for now. Let's see what you get in your little bag of goodies. You've got cleaning wipes, you've got two sets of dust removal stickers, and you've got a lovely nice microfiber. It doesn't feel like it's normal microfiber, it feels lovely and silky, so I look forward to using that. Let's place it over to the side, out the way, and then your squeegee card on how to get rid of your air bubbles, Caseology branding on the front. So let's go ahead and let's bring in the iPhone. Let's move it up so you can see it, like so. Okay, let's get one set of dust removal stickers. We're only going to need one, and we're going to need one cleaning wipe. So now what you're going to do is you're going to grab your cleaning wipe. You're going to clean off any residue from the phone, any fingerprints, etc. So let's go ahead, let's open it out. Seems like a fair size cleaning cloth too. If we open it out, that's a fair size. Pretty much covers the entire phone. So you're going to give it a good thorough cleaning. Get rid of any fingerprints, any little bits of debris you might have on your phone. Seems good enough to me. I'm going to place it to one side open so that we can use it again. You're going to get your microfiber and just go over, get rid of any excess residue from that wet wipe. Try not to touch the screen, but obviously it is going to move about a little bit depending on the surface. So just make sure you get it all nice and cleaned up. There we go. And you're going to get your little jig. You're going to place it over the phone. Okay, so now that's nice and on there. You're going to get one of your dust removal stickers, probably the big one, as it seems a little bit easier. And then just any little bits of dust that you're going to see. Removing any little bits of dust. The last thing you want is to put your screen protector on and then find you got a little bit of dust sitting under that screen protector. It's going to look horrendous with a little bubble. Now you're going to get your screen protector, take it out. You're going to peel off where it says back. That's where you're going to peel off. Got a little gap just above here where your speaker is, so that's how you know it's top, because it says press and slide. You're going to take it off like so. You're going to slide it into the jig. Get it all nice and lined up. Okay, let it go. And you're going to press and slide your finger down. Do it a couple of times, make sure you've got it all nice. So press and slide. And then leave it, let it do its thing, let it form in all the places it's meant to form. Normally give it about 30 seconds or so. Okay, let's go ahead and let's lift that off. I've got one tiny air bubble just there. I'm going to take the squeegee, like so. Just go over it, let's come out pretty much straight away. I literally only had one air bubble, and then literally you get this bit, take it off, get your little microfiber, just go over the screen, make sure it looks really good, and there we go. Turn the phone on. As you can see, if we open the phone up, there we go. So feels good, works well. If we go into messages, maybe let me go to that message, let me go to type, works perfectly, nice and crystal clear with that 2000 nit screen. Looks absolutely superb, so definitely recommend this one without a doubt. You've witnessed, nice and easy to install, goes on really well. I had one tiny air bubble which I've now got rid of, and you've got one spare in case anything goes wrong with this one. You break it, you scratch it, and you want to replace it, you do get a spare. So it does say that it fits well with Caseology cases, and what we've got right here, as you'll see in an upcoming video, the brand new Nano Pop MagSafe case for the 14 Pro Max. So we're going to slap it into the case like so. There we go. So there it is. Fits really well. Edge around the side here, so it's full screen protection, but you've got like little edges around the case so it's not touching. But that looks really good. But I am obviously going to try on something else besides the Caseology case, just to make sure. So we've got Apple's genuine leather case. Let's go ahead and let's slap this in. You got a bigger lip on this one compared to the Caseology one around the edge, but looks really, really good. I'm really happy with that. Plus the fact that it covers dynamic island, but I can't see it affecting your selfie shots. But I'll obviously put one in here right now so you can see for yourself that your selfie shots are not affected. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this link down below with a load of other Caseology bits you can pick up. Stay tuned for the case and accessory video going live soon. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn on those notifications so you don't miss future uploads from this channel just like this, and let me know what you want to see with the 14 Pro Max going forward. I've already got videos planned to compare it to the S22 Ultra and the Z Fold 4, so make sure you stay tuned for those videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, take care and stay safe. Rah.